Our planet has a natural defense against global warming, our rainforests. And at 1 billion acres, the Amazon is by far the largest rainforest on Earth. By absorbing massive amounts of carbon dioxide, it turns the major cause of global warming into the very oxygen we breathe. But every day, 18,000 acres of the Amazon, the lungs of the planet, are deliberately destroyed, releasing over 1 billion pounds of CO2 back into the atmosphere. The planet needs the rainforests. Now the rainforests need you. Welcome to the Raintrust Foundation. We're protecting the rainforest and the planet, 1 acre at a time. And now you can too, with our unique Protect an Acre program. See how Raintrust is making a difference by supporting environmentally sustainable businesses that tap the power of the global marketplace. Prevent global warming tomorrow. Protect an acre of the Amazon today.